Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, I'm going to explain how to handle pop-ups, alert buttons in a Cypress. So first of all, in Cypress, I'm going to create a new file called handle popup.cypress.js, and I'm going to copy the codes from here and paste in the handle popup.cys. So here we have successfully imported the Cypress, and here I'm going to change the description. So handle the alert. Next here I'm going to show demo. So I'm not going to replace the demo here. So here I'm going to remove all this, and we need to go to the WebDriver University. So first of all, I'm going to open the new browser, WebDriver University. So webdriveruniversity.com. So in this WebDriver University landing page, we want to access the pop-up or alert. So here we want to access this. So first of all, I'm going to copy the page URL, and I'm going to navigate toward the codes. Here I'm going to replace the URL which we pasted here. So next I want to click the particular button here. So first of all I'm going to inspect here, and we have to find the anchor tag. So in this anchor tag, this pop.alert is working. So here we have a ID. So let's copy this ID, go to the code, and for we have to get and paste it here with ID. So then we have to remove that target blank which we have seen in a previous video itself to overcome the multiple tab issue in Cypress. So first I'm going to invoke, next I'm going to remove attributes and provide target. After that I'm going to click. So after this, we can see the results in a Cypress. For that, I'm going to click here and select the Cypress file. So here we have this handle pop-up spec file. I'm selecting the spec file. The test has been triggered. So let's wait for the results. Till now, you can see step by step each command has been executed and this page has been appeared. So next we need to click this, click me, then the pop-up will be appear like this. Here if we go inside, if we click, the alert button has been coming here. But if we see, in the Cypress window or tab, we cannot see this pop-up. You can see here. So I'm clicking here, you can't see the pop-up, but here you can see the alert, because the Cypress will automatically handle the alert pop-up by itself. So we have to click the pop-up button here. For that I'm going to the WebDriver University. Here I'm going to inspect this button. So here you can see we have span, and here we have ID. of button 1. So I'm going to the Cypress code. So after this one, again I'm going to get ID and paste the particular ID. Then click. So now the pop-up will be appear in the Cypress tab. You can see here. So you can see the Cypress result here. As I said, the pop-up will not appear. So here you can see the results. In case if you want to use assertions to check these values, in this case we can use assertions also. So after this click, we have to provide Cypress dot on. So here this will handle the uh, all the events. So window alert. After this, we have to provide one arrow function. Arrow function. Here you can see I'm going to provide one variable to handle the values. So here I'm going to provide the assertion commands. First provide expect, expect, and here we have to provide the variable dot equal dot to dot equal equal, and we have to mention the values here. So I'm going to mention the value. Before that, I want to know that value. So here click, and here the values are. I am an alert box. So I'm going to copy those values from here. So copy and paste in the Cypress code. So now we can go to the Cypress tab. Let's refresh the Cypress examination. First the landing page appear, next it clicked. So next the click button has been clicked, and you can see the result has been succeed. Here the values has been same. In case if I am going to change the value like this here, and if we check here, the test case will be failed. Here you can see the value is not equal. So go and remove the values and evaluate again. So now the values has been evaluated properly and the result has been given. So this is how alert pop-ups will be handled in Cypress. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.